Have you ever been ready to hit the road with your trailer only to find the tail lights are not working or the turn signals are not responding? That's where this four-way flat trailer wiring tester can come into play. It only takes a minute and you'll know exactly what to do. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. In the package you get instructions and wiring diagram. This plug-and-play design requires no batteries or tools. Just connect it, turn on your vehicle lights and signal, and the LEDs will indicate immediately which circuits are working and which are not. That way your tail lights, brake lights, turn signals, you'll know exactly what you need to focus on. It's compact and portable size, easily fits in your glove compartment or toolbox. Most importantly, it takes the guesswork out of everything. That will allow you to get on the road much quicker rather than mess with wiring. Just connect it, turn on your vehicle, test the different lights, the brake, the LED indicators will tell you everything you need to know. If you want to identify electrical issues before you hit the road, this is the tester I would recommend.